Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today in this video I will show you how to change color name and Istanbul guys. And so guys, go to the top left hand corner and click on the my profile icon. As you can see here, currently see my name. As you can see here, just change the color of the all you do guys, click on the pencil icon right here and your name be edited and can actually enter the text on the name you want to do change. And but before here guys, the name that you want to here actually have the type 1 the special color code that I have written on this page. As you can see here, I will just type this code as you can see here and type code. Just going type this code and this is red color and type space and click the name. As you can see here, I will write text for example, and this is how you can do guys. So this you can see name change, name is changed. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe, like, share this video for more content.